Hello, welcome back to my channel Lomzy Sews. In today's sewing tutorial, I'll be showing you how to sew a welt pocket. Very neat and very easy. Anybody can do this, even a beginner. Can you see it's you can put your hand inside and it's still very neat. I made a boo-boo gown that had a welt pocket. I explained it, but I think I need to go further to explain this for you guys. Note that I'm not using a full fabric. I'm just using a scrap fabric to teach you this. The main focus is on the sewing technique, not actually on the measurements, because I've done this tutorial before. I just want you to grab the sewing technique. It's very easy and very simple. So guys, don't mind the measurements. So let's go into today's sewing tutorial. As you can see, I've made this one and you can already notice that is a slanted welt pocket. So we'll go ahead and make another one on this other side. So I have my fabric like this. One side is bigger than one side and I've made a crease on it. So I will place that place that I made a crease on here like this. You can make the total of the welt pocket to be like 7 inches, and the one that is smaller will be 2 inches and the bigger one will be 5 inches. So you make sure you mark that place with the measurements of what you have drawn for your welt pocket. So just use that you have placed the crease on it and you just mark that place, making sure the crease you made is on the line of the welt pocket. So I'll go ahead and use pin to secure this in place. This is very simple, guys. Welt pocket has been giving me issues until I was able to find out this one. So after pinning it like this, I'm going to measure out how many inches I want the welt pocket to be. Now if you want your welt pocket to be 2 inches, you share the 2 inches in between the crease line, and so it means on one side will be 1 inch, the other side will be 1 inch. If you want it to be half inch, that means you're going to make it 2.5 on both sides. But the only thing you have to do is to make sure they are all equal and the edges are very sharp. So you use your ruler to line this up so that it's neatly lined up. Can you see how I'm drawing my rectangle? Very sharp. Make it very sharp. That will determine how your welt pocket will come out. So I'll go ahead and sew this on the machine. I'm just going to sew all around the 4 rectangles. With this sewing technique, you need to sew all around this 4 squares, not only 2 sides, all the 4 squares of the rectangle. So I'll go ahead and do that. Make sure you interface the fabric that you're going to use for the welt pocket, and you're going to also interface the place that you are adding the welt pocket. You can use fusible interfacing for it, the one we call paper gum style in Nigeria, the one that looks like paper actually. So I'll go ahead and cut this open and I'm going to make a Y. Make sure you notch it to the edge of the corner. That way this would help your welt pocket not to have dimple or smile line. It's very important you're doing this. So I'll do the same thing on the other side. Make it a Y and make sure it gets to the end of the corner. Very important. I'll go ahead and turn this over to the other side. You're going to neatly do this And if you did the same thing that I did, you will find out that at this point your welt pocket would come out very neat and clean. Can you guys see? You can see, notice that this video is a slow video, so this is real time, it's not fast forwarded or edited. Can you see how neat it is? I'll go ahead and iron it. After ironing it, this is how it looks, very neat, guys. So I'll go ahead and turn it over like this. Inside is also looking very neat. This is where you now do the welt pocket. So you bring it in like this. You're going to either use your hand or you're going to iron this to make the welt pocket. It's a single welt pocket. Let me know if you want me to do a double welt pocket, and I will do that for you guys. So I'll go ahead and use my finger. This technique is old, but you know it's useful, so I use my finger to make the crease there. I'm going to go ahead to pin this, and I'm going to hold this other side, and the side, that side that has the Y that we have cut, you hold all of them together. Can you see? So you're going to go ahead and sew it at that Y. See that place? So sew it there. Go ahead and sew it. It will come out very neat. Trust me. So guys, this is it after sewing it. Can you see how neat it is? No editing, no fast forwarding. So I'll just go ahead and sew the other side. I've not even sewn the other side, and it's looking very neat like this. Make sure you also sew at the edge of the Y. At this point, you can actually decide not to make this a welt pocket. You can actually use it as a design or a false welt pocket. It means you're not going to add any facing or anything. So this is it after it was done. Can you see? Yeah, it's like a pocket now, like this. So we'll go ahead and add and make it a pocket this time around, else you will leave it like that. So can you see I've already made pockets on this side. We're going to make pocket for the other side. Now I'm going to add this pocket facing. So notice the way I have placed this on this other side of the welt pocket. So you're going to sew it like this. I like to do it like this so that when my client puts their hand inside their pocket, it's very very comfortable. I don't like when I'm wearing any clothes, I put my hand inside and I'm feeling I don't know. So this is how you're going to turn it and sew it to make sure it's clean and very comfortable for your client. So I'll go ahead and flip this over like this. Can you see? This side that is neat is the side that the client will put their hand. So you put the second side of the pocket like this, and you're going to sew it. Just sew it like this. Don't sew it very close to that opening. Just, you know, just try and close it without getting to the end of the opening, or else you're going to close your pocket. So yeah, we'll go ahead and sew the side of the pocket. If you have watched this video till this time, please, I'm begging for just one thing, just one simple thing. Please give this video a thumbs up and share this video to your sewing community. Your sewing community can be on Facebook, they can be on any social platform. Just help me help your baby girl and share this video out. It's a simple and very easy task. Please help me do this. Okay guys, if this is your first time coming across my channel, consider subscribing and turn on your notification bell icon. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. Thank you for your likes and your comments. I appreciate a whole lot. Guys, can you see how this neat how neat this welt pocket is? I've not even ironed it too, guys. Oh, Welt Pocket has been giving me issues. So I decided I'm going to share with you guys because I know some people must be going through the same thing. So guys, I have come to the end of today's sewing tutorial. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.